YouTube automation in 2026 isn't what it used to be. The rules are changing, channels are getting demonetized, and that's why a lot of people are quitting. But here's what I've learned from actually making money with YouTube automation. This is the best opportunity because while everyone leaves, competition drops, and the people who adapt and stay monetized are the ones sprinting. So today I'll show you what you really need to monetize your YouTube automation channel and how to start it in 2026 so you could decide if automation is worth it for you or if you should avoid it completely. So recently, big AI channels that were posting cheap, fast-produced, so-called AI slop content were demonetized. People started to doubt whether you can really monetize AI automated content in 2026. But what people don't understand is that these types of AI channels are only the tip of the iceberg when it comes to YouTube automation. They were never the priority and they were never the best way to make money on YouTube. Because they were low effort and easily replicable, they were always a short-term cash grab. It was a good way to get money for a few months, but then it would just die out. What actually made money in YouTube automation and still does after the rule changes are channels that produce higher quality content and use AI to do it cheaply, fast, and consistently. One example is the channel Black Files. They create Fern-style documentary videos and automate parts of the production process with AI, which allows them to produce 3 times more content than the original niche inventor Fern. But there are still a lot of people working on this type of content. It's not as easy to create. As a beginner, you should start with something easier, something you can do alone first to understand how to make viral content, and then move on to bigger projects like this one. But here's where the problem arises. If easy to make AI content isn't monetizable, how do you know which types of AI content are monetizable and how you can find these easy to make niches that are still profitable and can actually generate real income? Well, it's your lucky day, because this channel that got 2.6 million views with the first video was found by using a method I will show you right now. And I'll also show how I spot if the channel is monetizable or not, so pay close attention. Firstly, start with a fresh YouTube account with no watch history, so your recommendations aren't biased. Then start clicking and watching faceless channels that look AI made. The more you do that, the more YouTube starts feeding you similar channels, and that's where the fun begins. Now, instead of guessing which of those channels are actually working, I do one extra step. I go to the homepage and use the vidIQ extension to filter in only videos from small channels with low subscriber counts, high views, and high outlier score. That way, I'm only looking at content that has recently proven it can take off on a new channel. And usually, if it worked for them, there's a much higher chance it can work for us too, especially if we make something similar but better. And by using this exact method, I found this crazy niche that might be perfect for starting YouTube automation in 2026. And it's the kind of content most beginners couldn't believe can still get monetized. The very first upload of this channel hit 2.6 million views with no fancy edits, no animations, and nothing crazy. So why it works, and is that type of content still monetizable? Let's look first why this channel works even without all the fancy stuff. Basically, these type of videos target an older audience, and that audience doesn't need or even want fast cuts and flashy effects. On top of that, these type of niches with older audience have way bigger RPMs, which means the same views can pay more. Now, I don't know why they stopped uploading for so long, but the fact that the brand new channel pulled 2.6 million views on one video tells you something important. This niche has serious demand. But the fact that it uploaded just 2 videos could signal something bad. When you look closer, the videos are basically just B-roll footage. Most likely, the whole video is generated by AI, and that brings me to good news and the bad news. The bad news is that if you upload an AI-generated video with just B-roll footage with nothing added, it can be hard to stay monetized. As an example, look at this channel. All of the videos of this channel are fully done with AI, and it was making a lot of money in the beginning, but then it got demonetized. However, the good news is that I'm going to show you exactly how to run this type of channel so it stays monetized and stands out while still letting AI handle about 80% of the work. First, we're going to reverse engineer their script format and use it to write a brand new video idea in the same style. Because if that first video worked, it's not luck. There are attention strategies baked into the structure and we can borrow them. Here's exactly how I do it. I don't use ChatGPT for this anymore. I take the transcript of one of their best performing videos and paste it into Claude, because in my experience, Claude writes long form scripts cleaner than ChatGPT. Then I give it my new video idea and ask it to generate a 1500 word script in that same format. But here's where most people kill the video before it even gets posted. They generate a script and they use it word for word without checking anything. And that's the difference between a video that goes viral and a video that gets 100 views. What I do is I quickly check if the hook is strong, does the structure build curiosity with open loops, are there rehooks between sections, and all of these little things that add up.
But how do I know what a good hook looks like, or what structure actually keeps people watching?
That's exactly why I created my free Discord group and paid school community. To help you learn the deeper levels of YouTube, understand why content goes viral and how to replicate it.
I've heard about it.
But that's not all. My team and I are also preparing a new one-on-one coaching program to help you monetize your channel and start earning. And spots will be limited, so if you don't want to miss out, join my Discord and sign up for the newsletter in the description to be the first one to get the news about the new program I will launch. Now, with a solid script, the annoying part is usually the production. You'd normally spend hours hunting for B-roll, cutting it together and syncing everything manually. But nowadays, there are a lot of AI video generators that can automatically add B-roll footage based on your script. One example is Widrush, but it's not easy to access. You need an invitation to use it, which even I don't have. So another option is CapCut's video generator, which I've already talked about and demonstrated in this video, so you can check it out after watching this one. CapCut isn't sponsoring this video, but tools like these can really save a lot of time in YouTube automation. But as I said, that's not enough to stay monetized in 2026. People producing this kind of fast, easily replicable content are getting wiped out. So if you want to really make sure you will stay monetized, doing 80% of the work isn't enough. You have to do the remaining 20%, which will keep you monetized and make your channel stand out. And it's the part most people completely skip. To explain, I want to show you a competitor of the original channel that I found and showed you. It's called Auto Wheels, and he has even bigger videos, some with 3 million views. He also uses a lot of B-roll clips, but he also adds editing touches like on-screen text and simple animations. They aren't all over the video, but they help the video stand out and make it feel like more effort was put into it. As a result, people stay engaged longer, and it's obviously easier to monetize because you've actually added value. And honestly, it's not that hard to recreate these simple animations. I'll show you how you can replicate this intro. To make this background, I literally just searched square background on YouTube and downloaded one. For the character, I searched man pointing a finger at you, downloaded an image, then ran it through a background remover. After that, I dropped both into my editing software. To animate the character, I used a simple position keyframe. I set the first keyframe with him off screen, then the second keyframe where I wanted him to land. And that's it. Now you understand how a basic position keyframe animation works. I did the same thing for the text. Just scale it down for the first frame and then keyframe it into place for that pop-up effect. For the next scene, I found a photo of an American, cut him out and brought both the cutout and the background into the editor. Then I placed the text layer between the background and the cutout, so the text sits behind the person. You can do the process yourself, but if you want to automate everything, you'll need to hire an editor for this task. And that's how you create a monetizable YouTube automation channel in 2026. However, when you get monetized, that's where the real challenges start. Once you start getting paid from ads, brand deals, or digital products, you suddenly have to deal with taxes, paperwork, and managing your business properly. And if you just keep everything under your personal name, it can get messy fast, from accounting headaches to missing important tax fillings. So what's the solution? Many creators turn their channel into a real business by starting an limited liability company, LLC. An LLC gives you liability protection, makes your channel look more professional to sponsors, and unlocks tools like Stripe, Shopify, and businesses banking platforms like Mercury, which makes it way easier to collect payments globally. And the easiest way to do this is with Doula. Doula is basically a business-in-a-box platform that helps creators and online founders start and run a US LLC from anywhere in the world. They help you form your LLC, get your EIN, open a US business bank account, and even handle bookkeeping and tax fillings. And honestly, the last part is important because starting an LLC is only step one. Staying compliant is the real challenge. The IRS can issue fines up to $25,000 for missing simple paperwork deadlines. And Doula's premium plan basically acts as compliance insurance, so you don't have to worry about that. If you want to set this up for your channel, you can click the link in my description and use my code for 10% off. It's completely risk-free with Doula's money-back guarantee, and if you are not sure how it works, you can even book a free demo with their team to walk you through everything. So if you're serious about turning your channel into a real business, definitely check them out below. Thanks to Doula for sponsoring this segment. So YouTube automation in 2026 isn't about spamming videos anymore. It's about doing it smarter. AI handles the heavy lifting, but you control the strategy, the ideas, hooks, the little edits that make the video feel real. So if you want to learn more about the strategy, get more tips, the latest news about making money with YouTube from me, find like-minded people, and don't miss the new one-on-one coaching that I will open soon, join my free Discord community and subscribe to my newsletter through the link in the description.